So, kung mapapansin natin, the price is now creating higher high and higher lows. So, for this context ng 1-minute time frame, the price is now considered in this direction as an uptrend. So, my question to you, anong pipiliin mo kung uptrend? Are you going to go long or are you going to go short? And the answer is, syempre, you are going to go long pag uptrend. So, for an uptrend, ang hanapin mo dito ay, ayan, mga levels. Yan. Ayan. Ito yung mga nakikita nating mga potential setups dito. And then another level, may level ulit tayo dito. And it's going to be our setup. Yan. So, ibig sabihin pala niyan, coach, kung makasabay ako dyan, meron akong 3 potential trades. Meron akong 1, 2, and 3. Yes, meron kang 3 trades. And then dito, syempre, kung susundin mo lang tong trade na to, meron kang isa ditong stop out. So the reason kung bakit natin pinapakita yung stop out dito sa scenario nito, because ganito talaga yung totoong nangyayari kung susundan mo lang yung price. And especially if you don't have the full context kung ano ba yung nangyayari sa higher time frame.